Alright, today I'm putting the Ruger LC9s PRO up against the Sky CPX2. You're looking at about $120 cheaper across the board with the Sky CPX2. Size are almost completely identical. The Sky CPX2 is fatter though. Controls, Sky nice and easy. The Sky does also come with a second mag. The Ruger, not so much. I can't even push this down. I have to just put my thumb on it and then re-rack the slide. Trigger brake. Ruger has a far superior trigger. It brakes a lot cleaner too. I'm kind of getting a little bit of fishtail on the trigger brakes on the Sky. Capacity, you're looking at 10+1 with the Sky. The Ruger, you're looking at 7+1. The Sky does also come with a second mag. Sights, very, very similar. The Sky's got a slightly fatter dot though. To be honest, I actually fell in love with the Sky. I'm like, the price is great. Their customer service, they claim on their videos and on their page that if this gets stolen from you, all you have to do is turn in your police report and they'll replace it for free. Apparently the warranty is transferable, and I'm hearing terrible things about the Ruger. The higher capacity, the firearms lighter. I actually bought this for myself. The problem I was having with it is when I'd be shooting it, I break my shot, and then when my trigger goes to reset, it's so light and you have to go so far forward, and it feels exactly like when the slide locks to the rear. I'd hit it on a dead trigger, and I'd be like, oh, I'm out of ammo, drop my mag, and then I'd go put in my new mag, go, and the slide ain't back. Like, what's going on here? And I'd look at my mag, I'm like, oh, there's still a couple of rounds in there. If it wasn't for that one problem, if you're watching the Sky, it would be greatly appreciated if you could fix it. This would be the firearm I would pick. Now, I thought maybe it was just me having that problem, so I had a couple other people try the firearm, and they were running into the same problem as well. So, unfortunately, this one's going to have to go to the Ruger. The trigger just breaks nicer. You are looking at a heavier firearm, though, a crappier warranty, less rounds. But put in the comments below which one you would pick and why. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.